In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Amazon Prime membership. By the end, you'll know exactly how to confirm whether you're a Prime member, what benefits are tied to your account, and when your plan renews or expires. First, let's use the Amazon website on a desktop. Open your browser, go to Amazon.com, and sign in to the account you actually use for shopping. Once you're in, move your mouse to the top right and hover over the Account and Lists menu. From the drop-down, click your Prime membership. This takes you to your membership hub. Here, you'll clearly see whether your membership is active, the renewal or expiration date, and whether you're on a monthly or annual plan. You may also see links that summarize your benefits, like shipping perks and digital services. If you don't see a Prime section at all on this page, that usually means the account you're signed into isn't subscribed. A quick tip: if you manage multiple Amazon logins at home or work, double-check that you're signed into the correct one. If needed, sign out and try another address you've used with Amazon. Next, confirm with your email. Amazon typically sends a confirmation when you start Prime and reminders when it renews. Open the inbox for the email address on your Amazon account and search for phrases like Prime membership or your Prime renewal. These messages often show your plan type and renewal date. If nothing shows up, glance at your spam or promotions folders, just in case. As you review emails, always make sure they're actually from Amazon's legitimate domain before you trust any links. This is a simple way to cross-check what you saw on the website. If you're still unsure or something doesn't look right, maybe you notice duplicate charges or conflicting details, reach out to Amazon's customer service. From the help section on the site, you can choose chat or request a call. Let them know you want to confirm your Prime status on your account. They can quickly tell you whether Prime is active, when it renews, and help sort out mix-ups, like being signed into the wrong account or having multiple memberships. That's all there is to it. Start with the desktop membership page, verify with your email, and contact support if anything's unclear. With these checks, you'll always know your Prime status, your plan type, and your renewal timeline. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get clarity on your Amazon Prime membership.